man di ko nayo
March 29.
matured tayo. Matured nga pa yung itsura nung di ka panulutan ano nga matured. Thank you.
Matagal si proposal, ito na sure na the social marketing program PCC akan to the reward lagi dyan ay barangay na katakdalan si Kulit.
Narod nga at po rin. Yeah, reward. Ano ang reward na sa trabaho?
Tayo na talaman dito po kami ako gawin nato. Under section 6. Section 6 of Republic Act 9003 and its implementing rules and regulations. Unahan ito, the creation of a Barangay Solid Waste Management Committee. So talaga naman dato tayo mag-establish ito Barangay Solid Waste Management Committee. Lagi ito iti functions and responsibilities tayo kada din ang mga tayo natin yung ulitin ko lang. First, formulate solid waste management program consistent with the city municipal solid waste management plan. That is number 2, segregate and collect biodegradable, compostable, reusable waste. Number 3, establish a materials recovery facility. Number 4, allocate funds. Look for sources of funds. So talaga nga, we have been encouraged by this law to look for sources of funds. Kasi siguro din pa, one of the best ways for us to have other sources of funds in order to assist us in our management of our solid waste problem. So at that dito yan, nakakabilis yung listed na rin yan. In short, ang kayo makailangan nun na dapat natin may capability na may impose pa lang na sanction. When no penalty, no ang karaan, correct. Kasi lang, yung baga naman, basta nga immature na pinagpanunod si Gayan, no? Kasi yan, dapat service itaan. Uray P5, dito yung IRR na, we are likewise mandated to collect fees. So sa amin dito yung libro nga ito. Siguro dahil yung last minute na kung tayo i-concentrate tayo na the collection whether so amenable to the 70. Hindi na place na tayo nga discount. Sir Pat, so marunong niya ang murabel at luwakan pa po tayo.
Salamat po. Actually, tapos yung kalit-kalit ko rin nasa na yung dalawa. Nabanggita ng dalawang pakilang kanina. But, since nasa public consultation po tayo, at past treasurer, Kimchi Treasurer din ako. We would like, in behalf, awan po our President, the Treasurer ito the out of staff. But in behalf of ABT, we would like to make exception about yun sa remarks kanina. Attributed to the ABT, but it saddened us na bust officer sa ABT na buwagin sa ABT po naman po sana. I believe that whatever remarks that was said by the Treasurer earlier, comment lang na his personal opinion and idea. But siguro we believe that the ABT is doing very well. And without us, it may siguro let's go back to the topic. Earlier, yung pong ordinance na sinasabi natin, yung ordinance at saka yung AO, wala po ata sir, wala po atang provision doon na nag-provide ng discount para sa senior citizen. Pasasaan darating tayo dyan. And second, yun pong nabanggit si Kapitan kanina, kung po pwede, kung ayaw nyo yung mga barangay officials, incumbent barangay officials, elected barangay officials na may exemption sa collection of garbage fee. Kahit man lang po yung mga appointees barangay officials. Kasi hindi po natin i-compare yung barangay officials doon sa mga employed government officials. Kasi po, yung government officials ay salaried people, pero yung mga barangay officials ay matanggap lang ng honorary. Maraming salamat po.
Thank you. Siguro yung nag-comment din lang kanina, Sir Pat, comment din lang siguro natin seriously. Mr. Ramelo. Thank you for the suggestion, Sir Pat. And I for one, I do believe that the Association of Barangay Treasurers, they are doing what they can do. In fact, silang sabihin na natin one of the most active organization dito under the umbrella of LGBTQ. Lagi po silang nag-meeting dyan sa ating opisina. In fact, meron po silang table dyan. And sa kanila po, yung mga barangays na gusto magpatulong po, andyan po ang ating mga expert na gumagawa ng budget, si Daniel, at saka yung mga iba pa. So, lagi silang andyan. Kung may problema po kayo sa treasurer po ninyo, mapuntahin nyo lang po dyan sa ating ABC office, and then tatawagin po natin yung mga tutulong sa kanila. But of course, lahat ng kaya, kailangan pupunta rin po tayo doon sa mga concerned officers. Yes, Sir Abel.
Kumuntik ko na kalimutan niyo sa sabihin ko. But in fairness, I'd like to support you, Senator Jordi. Although man sinabi si Councilor kanina, she's traffic, but I feel guilty kung hindi ko masabi. We had a meeting of ASCII last week, and one of the suggestions na is mabawasan yung mga namubulok, yung tinatanong ni Sir Benji sa kanina. We had a proposal of Mr. Oro, ang sabi niya na, so yung mga malalaking barangay na may mga land sila na maluwang, kung pwede, maghukay na mabawasan lang yung nabubulok. In fact, that was the agreement. It is not really total na babawasan because tama yung sabi niya because
by information dissemination of composting.
So it is on the
Pasok-pasok.
so that pag dumating si Mayor,
Consultation
hindi na ulitin tayo. Who are those people who attended the ASCII? Sabihin na, kaya sabi ko, I feel guilty. We have a
government of the barangay.
Kaya na kami
Enjoy garbage free.
Thank you. Yung luwang at tapos barangay. By the way, for the information of the barangay captains who are here, every Friday po, nakakaroon din ng, except yung ating monthly meeting with the Mayor, meron po ASCII. So yes, 3 o'clock in the afternoon. Medyo, hindi pa po sila tinuloy yung pagbibisita nila sa mga district o sa mga barangay. This time, lagi po dito sa multi-purpose hall. Yung mga barangay captains would like to be admitted, and all the barangay officials would like to be updated on issues regarding our city, especially the clean and green concern. You are invited to attend. Kagawad kayo tayo.
Bali, that time na-mention din ba, intention ko parang barangay officials and barangay workers, di may sanga na academic limit lang yung ma'am, di lumabra kami ng format, intention para pag-testing agents, para pag-identify nga pati NSCS, corporate, basta lang yun, at unay na awan unay si Iwana, bumabalin ko mga kung bakit may yung amendment, na pang-isip Tanto, ayan, may local flower, si ordinance, in curriculum garbage, kapal lang natin dito is the barangay treasurer, di na correct garbage siguro, magpagamat kanda kami na naligat kung pagsabayin hindi nga kolektaan sa ating resident ng maligatan pagsabay i-doble na 50 pesos city at 20 pesos di barangay. Yun, habang haring resident di barangay treasurer ni, habang i-correct hindi 20 pesos garbage ordinance ni, sapay ko ma-respeto ng CCTV no matik the treasurer minto uray hangin na unay na i-implement the barangay ordinance para matutupin ito di definitely kami susuportaran the 70% or 80-20% na
yes, first, kasi ba tayo mga discount with exemption, kita at kayo na kasano. First, panunutan tayo 20 pesos na beta. Yeah? And then, nung in-exempt tayo gamit si Mesa nga po, ang aming tumawad na exemption. And kasi mga kolekta, parang developing, yung sila ka-exempted ka magbayad. Panunutin lang ka natin, bakit residented? At pagbayatin lang, kasi exempted ka. Diba na kayo, medyo agad yung paano kasi ako. But anyhow, we try to look into that. Hindi pa ako sa pwede ng 370. Tatay ko kasalukin, how can we in collecting campaign. As regards to the barangay ordinance, you know, I think between a city ordinance and barangay ordinance, of course, there's a city ordinance. Tataka very consistent ni Councilor Carino. No, at that city ordinance, ang nakapalampasan iti barangay ordinance. Especially no, may mga topic dyan. Nakalusot yung ordinance, iti saan unay nga nakuhaan. Ano unay nga na restrictuan yan. Now, we are being consistent. If there is already an existing city ordinance, you cannot make your own ordinance. Sa atagaroon, the city ordinance is applicable to the whole city. Apay nagaramit sa maniti. If you like, you can propose an amendment to the city ordinance. Normally, but not for you to have your own brand of ordinance. Amendment.
Third day, October to December na limited election period December.
Kasi yung mga pagsuangan, according to my treasurer, naminsan lang pagkatapos ng 2,000 lang ito na calculation.
30% of that. Ibabalik tayo mo i-check, sir, against your reports and answer. No, makita tayo, i-reconcile tayo ng student na i-release. Babalik tayo mas agaramit sa assessment, so alam makita tayo ng error. So nga, di ba umigay treasurer yun, isunod na yung reports na tapos mo properly na reconcile.
But in the same, dinurot in debit yung di December lang. Wala pong makikita ng
Ito sa SPE regulation, sir, sabi actually, sipay lang araw-araw din yung financial report sa tanong, account din sa February. Kasi January, at close pa yung account this year. So, nag-bigat niya kapasok niya adapti regulasyon. Yung ito no, mid of the year, sa makamat ni deadline ni actually, yan yung 20th day of the succeeding month, the deadline ni financial report of the month. For example, si March, into April 20 pa lang si deadline ni. Jamie pa lang na ma-determine nung talaga si share of each barangay in the collection. Ito nga, isulog ni EJ 320. Iti may sapay, no, dagdo magaling nagpasitan, di collection sa ipamili bangko kasi lang it does not make an impact sa yung mga barangay, ng 400, 200. Ito nga mas, or no, nandito mataklo na makita yung EJ bank statement yung ang mo yung nga-DJ share yung sa 200 lang o 100. Kasi lang ang mga pagalaan ni DJ na
Paano mo natin prima?
At least 1,000 magka.
nung makamatang ni DI oras, we will try to comply with the regulation every month.
So, okay siguro ang amin na. Before we wrap up and then coming up with suggestions from you, ito lang tagin sa mga announcement. Siguro ako parang kaibigan, si inform napahibigay na ng ating na barangay kapatid na nalawan na San Antonio.
Unang abot di man ni Daniel. Asa nung adjudik nga?
Well, pero nevertheless, hindi magandang pinakaganan yung siguro
nakulit pa
test of controlling test. Hindi ba natin dyan yung
reports na?
and another thing, kung hindi man naman dyan alam yung division na Vision Home Shoot in Guameo, i-approve resolutions by the National Liga ng mga barangay about the issue on whether the barangay will be synchronized comes 2013 or not. So, other the resolutions na dyan, one resolution addressed to Pinoy, stating na, okay, we are, no, if it is your wish for us to synchronize, then it should not be on 2013, but on 2016, the synchronization. Because the time is too short. Another resolution is, there are several congressmen who filed a bill in Congress saying na huwag sana tayo synchronize and in effect extending our elections to 2014 or 2015. And then thereafter, imbis na 3 terms tayo, 2 terms lang ulit, but 5 years each. So, the National League is requesting the Purong Barangays to fill up this resolution so that we will furnish a copy to our honorable congressman. And then, i-compile nila dito we will give it to Pinoy himself, no, if we could find time with him. The deadline time will be on April 25. Before that, kapag kumatata may submit yung resolution nyo. This is a proper resolution. Iarapin nyo dyan sa barangay yun. Tulatin nyo lang. Lagay makinkaya. Lagay hangan makinkaya, of course. This is a democratic country. Okay, hirap apply pa rin. May I give malimit statements from the body? Yes, Sir Benji.
Mr. Chairman, we respectfully manifest that after discussion and consideration, we find the legal move to amend the existing tax ordinance on the share of the barangay. We respectfully then recommend that the committee will respectfully further recommend for the approval of a 70/30 based on the discussion and after certification or justification of the opinion of Lord as a society. Thank you.
We will be taking into consideration your comments and suggestions. But what about the incentive scheme? We will still go with the incentive scheme, meaning your collection. Nagdiyan kami ng observation ni Sir Galinato. Which is difficult really to know kasi our residents do come and go. No, kahit tomorrow then we will do away with the incentive.
Siguro, Mr. President, for the time being, we will just concentrate on the 70/30 because I have this feeling that the City Council might not consider it, considering na nai-announce the actual state of the garbage collection of the city. I was waiting for Mr. Cervantes na hindi po kaya ng syudad. Kasi pinapalabas, kaya. Pero the reality is, hindi kaya.
Baka hindi lang yan na-verbalize, but every time, lagi po silang humuhingi ng tulong sa ating barangay. Even the mayor had always been saying na hindi nga makakaya. Even the EO itself speaks of the need for us to really assist the city in solving the garbage problem. Hindi lang siguro na medyo naintindihan ni Sir Cervantes yun. Kasi ang nasa utak niya lagi yung basura. Paano yung problema natin sa basura. Hindi ka na-bit. Laging ka naman na, kasi ang tinatamaan dyan.
Any manifestation that we are not in conformity.
We will take that into consideration. I will take that into consideration. Yes, yes. After all, the EO speaks of that the desire of the mayor for us to establish a very solid waste management committee in our barangay. For that, the AO also recognized the need for us to hire additional personnel. And how can we hire additional personnel kung kulang po tayo ng pundo? So, yun po siguro ang consideration. Anyhow, we will be filing the necessary amendment. I will be returning this back either to the Committee on Law or diretso na sa Sangguniang Panglunsod for deliberation and for possible consideration of the City Council. So, in the second, to mo kung pwede away ba? May I see hands? Ako alipig. Objection?
No, okay.
You have something to say, Sir Alipig? They already contact the Vice President of
For the record, Mr. Chair, I interpose no objection.
So, any other topic? No more. No more. Related to...
As the bookkeeper, saan namin, kasi sa STD, sa paggawa ng report, meron yun as stupidized collection. Ilagay namin daily ba yun or yung sa collection namin garbage? Or can we report that in weekly? sa summary of collection and deposit.
Ito yung, di ba, separate yung STD ng ASTRA, deputized treasurer.
Sa barangay.
Ganun pa rin na Kuya Daniel. Daily subtotal, tapos meron din siya grand total weekly. Tapos yung daily subtotal, yun ang i-forward mo sa STD, yung may
Kasi kung ipapasok mo sa STD, tingin mo sa kuwan na naman sa experience. Papasok ba yun sa experience?
yung, di ba dun sa STD, kapag mo siya as daily, di mo siya i-remind, di ba? Dun sa PHB Rec, ganun din, yung, ang basis mo na lang is yung isang STD. Kung saan mo transfer yung STD mo at barangay, at deputized barangay. Mahirap i-imagine kasi mas maganda kung hawak natin yung report. Kasi explain mo na lang si Kuya Daniel and then siguro pwedeng i-disseminate sa iyo.
Kasi inisip ko kasi, nagawa ng report, yung mga koleksyon ng barangay napapasok sa general fund. Pero itong as deputized, hindi pa napapasok sa barangay.
Hindi napapasok Kuya Daniel kasi pagdating mo sa STD, di ba ilalagay mo doon, collection as barangay deputized. Maaalis din kasi siya doon eh. Dahil pag niremit mo na, mag-zero out na yun. So, hindi na siya papasok sa PHB Rec.
Bali yung balance yun na.
Oo.
Paano kung hindi mo pa kami
Masasok
Nasa
appeal?
on hand mo. Makikita natin dun sa report, hindi mag-zero siya.
Thank you, ma'am.
Recording.
po, makikita namin medyo mahirap ma-visualize yung explanation ni Madam Freda. So we would like to manifest also that since this is in tandem with the City Treasurer's Office, we will request the City Treasurer's Office to please sponsor a training for the barangay treasurers in handling the collection of gratuities.
Saka yun nga, at that time, propose ni na seminar for barangay treasurers regarding BIR, withholding taxes and remittances because this is becoming a recurrent problem among the barangay. And since we do not have funds for that, we will be circulating an invitation for you to attend with registration fee. We will also incorporate the training on the record keeping of garbage fees with this, if you are willing to. Reduction kami yung problema dito yung mortgage taxes. The problem is piling up, so we have to address it through a seminar. So, one-day seminar data, sir, we will be giving you the schedule as soon as we fix it. And we will incorporate yung garbage fees as requested. The barangay treasurers are required to attend.
Yes, after all, nakakasino din ang training. Siguro nakakabot siguro man. You can start it with the what? The collection nyo. Yes, the collection. Mr. President, before the manifestation of adjournment, may we reiterate the treasurers of the deputized to be now be deputized for unintensive collection of garbage fees. This admission of survey, household survey. Yes.
And the deputation is based on the recommendation of the barangay.
Barangay resolution.
So, not necessarily a barangay resolution, but the endorsement of the barangay captain. So, the barangay captain please require your barangay treasurer to be deputized.
So, Mr. President, I think there are no other matters to be discussed. We have to admit that we now adjourn before the adjournment.
Ito sa barangay ko namin, isang purok ko na lang tatapong sa kabilang adjusted level natin sa nagbabago. Paano ko naman yung sarili yung barangay.
No, within the barangay, kaya lang, sa ibang barangay na nagtatapos.
Opo, sa barangay po
Pero
nila.
sino bang maniningil? Yung pinagtatapunan o yung barangay?
Yung pinagtatapunan ko, kasi yung una po na meeting natin noon, kung saan nagtatapon po yung constituents doon po na magbabayad po. Kaya paano po yung procedure? Kasi sa amin yung pangalan, paano yung reklamo na ito? Ang suggestion mo namin, sa sentence niyo, meron kayong ilalagay na remark na resident na sila, pero sa kabila sila nagtatapon, kaya doon nagbabayad. Para alam namin kung saan namin hahanapin sa reconciliation.
Okay? There was a suggestion for an adjournment. There was a motion for an adjournment. Any second to that?